So in this video, we will look at this example, another example of FT Fourier series. This is a different Fourier series. So we have to plot the amplitude and phase spectra as well. Now, again, in order for us to plot the phase amplitude spectra, typically this is the amplitude and phase spectra. This is the amplitude, this is the, or let's just write here, this is the phase, right? Now we have to calculate from this equation. So this is the equation for the amplitude and phase spectra. So we have to determine, in order to get the amplitude and phase, we have to get the coefficient an, bn from this function ft. So from this function ft, if we rewrite it, it will become, will look like this, plus summation of, let's just rewrite this, okay, minus 6 over n pi, okay, sine 2 pi t, n equals 1, from 1 to infinity. So I just move this negative 6 over pi to here, so that we can see that this is the term. Now this, is it a n or bn? So in order to know that, we have to look at the general equation of Fourier series, which is a naught plus summation of a n cos n omega naught t bn sin n omega naught t. So here this is the sine function, so this is the bn, right? Two pi n, so I believe this, there's a 2 pi n t, I suppose, because the equation must have n here. So okay, 2 pi n t, so 2 pi n t, 2 n t, so omega naught is 2 pi, okay, omega naught in this case is 2 pi. All right, so never mind, we don't need this value. What we need is this bn and an. So in this case, an is 0 because there is no term for cos. Alright, now we can calculate an and phi n. Let's calculate that. Let's do that for 3 values or 3 terms, right? An sorry, okay. Now for the first one, a1, again an is 0, an is 0. So what about bn? So bn here is this, bn here is negative 6 over n pi, negative 6 over 1 pi square root, right? So we get that a1 is 6 over pi. Now for the phi n, or the first angle, done. So B1 is negative 6 over pi divided by 0. So here, if we forgot about the value, you can just use your calculator, right? So you have inverse tan, okay, large negative value divided by 0, you have a large negative value, right? Let's say this is negative 999, you get negative 90 degree, okay, negative 90 degree. So this is negative, so you get positive 90, right? So continue for the second one. You should get this is 6 over 2 pi or 3 over pi. And then for the second one, again, if you divide it by negative 0, divided by 0, your negative value it will become negative. A large value inverse tan, you will get negative 90, and with this negative you will get positive 90, right? And same thing for A3, 6 over 3 pi, you get 2 over pi, negative 6 over 3 pi divided by 0, you get plus 90. Alright, so now you have these three values. You can plot in the amplitude and phase spectra. So here, first, second, third, you have 6 over pi, and then the second one is 6 over 2 pi, and then the third one is 6 over 3 pi. And for the phase spectra, because your value is now positive, you just have to all to have 90 degree positive. 1, 2 and 3. Okay,